Hey language champions, welcome to Ready Study Buddy. Ever wondered why k and k sound different in Hindi? Did you know? In Hindi, some letters are spoken with less air and some with more air. Let's learn a cool Hindi secret. In Hindi pronunciation, consonants are divided into two types and they are Alpapraan and Mahapran. The term Alpapraan means less breath or less air when we pronounce the letter. Example: k, gh, ch, jh, th, d, th, dh, ph and b, wherein we used very little air to pronounce all these letters. On the other hand, Mahapraan. Mahapraan means more breath or more air while pronouncing. And examples: k, gh, ch, jh, th, dh, th, dh, ph, bh, wherein you can feel the extra air while pronouncing these letters. To practically understand this better, try this trick. Place your hand in front of your mouth and say the Alpapraan ka. You will feel less air. Now say the Mahapraan kha and you will feel more air. And that's the difference between Alpapraan and Mahapraan letters in Hindi. Like, subscribe and follow for more quick Hindi learnings. Thank you.